Here I have a LG TV, and the issue is doesn't have any sound from the internal speaker. So I'm just going to increase the sound here. And then I'm going to go into menu, and we'll see sound output. And if your sound output is to the optical port, that means it's not going to be using the TV speakers at the bottom. The optical port, if you look at the back of the TV, there's this little thing here, and then this is the optical port, and that could go to a receiver there. So if you're not using that, you won't have any sound. So what we have to do is we're going to change that setting there. Okay, and you want TV speaker if you want the two speakers at the bottom. So that's what we want. Okay, and then we'll just get some HDMI sound. Interesting. Still doesn't have sound. So I'm playing a video here, and it's not muted. Like, there's a mute button there, not muted there. It says like 80%. I'm increasing, decreasing. Still no sound. So here's the inside of the TV. So these are your two speakers, internal speakers. I don't think that usually speakers don't go bad. It could be a connection issue. Sometimes these wires can get pinched. And then this is the connection into the main board. It is connected. So it could be a problem with the main board, because I'm going into the settings, and I'm going to try to do a reset. Alright, so let's try to reflow this chip. I'm going to apply some flux. Apply some flux along the side here, and we'll heat it up. Alright, let's do it. NTP 7515, and that's basically the amplifier IC. So unfortunately, there's still no sound even after heating up that sound IC. Yeah. So that's unfortunate. And getting a new board is pretty much as much as the new TV, so it's probably best to get a new TV at this point. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.